omukoro gwo kusiima habwa bejo okukora jahabwa itendekere rya Evelyn School of Nursing and Midwifery gwakorerwa ha kanisa ya All Saints kandi Canon Reverend John Murinda Bigwi yashaba abashaho okwetwaza je baba nibajanja babarwire
kandi nyo mirundi mingi buri kushaba kwanje nishabira abashaho ako bakahebwa umurimo gugumire ugurukoragana n'abantu abarwire bamwe batakina amasiko go kukira ntabwo icyo n'umuntu gurwetenga imbabazi nyingi no kumuriza abantu shaba abashaho kumabinero imbabazi Yesu abakandi bakoragana n'abantu abatakina amasiko babagarura amasiko.
Canon Murinda Bigwi yajumera emejware etarukuhereza sitenisa abakozi baba bari hamerumo ngweki nekiretera abarwire batina kubagambire bahama byabo
kukanure bakumutiyisha umudalika doctor ureba ne washire simbaza hanjeza nakaza kishaho no manyari bihari by'ishaho n'umutumu n'ibihari by'ishaho abo kushibuza
nabwanyuma habaho umukoro gwo kusiima beja hishumiro kandi aba bashabwe kwetwaza jahamerumo eibarahebwe.
I also had to be the chairman of the service commission Bakwara district local government. We have been interviewing many doctors, many engineers, nurses, like midwives and whatever. Most of those people who are successful, who get distinctions, are those whose background has been very distinguished discipline. So be disciplined.
And now it is that basis because of the discipline that you have that you have been able to harvest good results. Doctors have always been telling me, we went home to the competition in the results in my life. Come to the
Guest of honor, sir, I wish to inform you that the performance of this school in the recent release exams was wonderful. In total, we tested 83 distinctions at diploma level and also certificate level. But to be more particular, we tested 65 distinctions at certificate level.
Obutumwa bwa mukuru w'ishomero Dr. Nathan Karema bwashomwe umuhwezi we Ayesiga Priva kandi yasima beji ahabwo kutomutuma hakushoma na no gukora jo mu bigezo.
I want to thank the parents for the support they have continued to give to our students in this journey of academics. I want to thank the government for providing us with the conducive environment in which we work in. Inspector, sir, we thank you a lot.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Anita Atkunda.